In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to rename status on Zoho Projects. If you've ever looked at your task board and thought the default labels don't match your team's workflow, this quick walkthrough will help you tailor them to fit exactly how you work. Clear, consistent status names make it easier for everyone to understand progress at a glance and reduce back and forth. First, open your projects. Once you're looking at your project's task list, you'll see columns that organize your information. The one we care about is the status column, which shows where each task stands, like open, in progress, or completed. Make sure you're in a task view where the status column is visible so you can access its options easily. Next, move your mouse over the status column header and click the three dots. This small menu icon, sometimes called the kebab menu, reveals extra settings specific to that column. Hovering directly over the header ensures you're adjusting the column itself, not an individual task, so your changes apply cleanly to the project's status labels. From the drop-down that appears, choose Customize Status. This takes you to the status customization screen for your project. Think of this as your control center for how work stages are named and displayed. You'll see your current list of statuses laid out, along with options to modify them. Now you can rename every status. Click into a status name to edit it, and type the label that best describes that stage in your team's language. For example, you might change Open to Backlog, In Progress to Doing, or Completed to Done, whatever is most intuitive for your process. Keep names short, action-oriented, and unambiguous so teammates can scan and understand them instantly. If colors are shown alongside names, consider keeping a consistent color scheme so each stage is recognizable at a glance. As you make changes, aim for a logical flow from the earliest stage to the final stage and avoid overlapping meanings. If multiple teams share the same project, pick neutral terms everyone understands and document the definitions in your project guidelines so new members ramp up quickly. Before you wrap up, take a moment to review your updated list to ensure the wording aligns with how your team actually works day to day. Small adjustments now save confusion later. After confirming on screen, return to your task view and skim a few tasks to see that the new names appear as expected. That's it. You've customized your Zoho project statuses to better match your workflow. If this was helpful, keep refining your labels as your process evolves so your project stays clear and consistent.